Here's the 2005 Seacraft 20 center console Classic. Here's a video of the exterior of the hull. It's got brand new bottom paint on it. The sides look pretty nice. Port side, top decks look good. A little staining here. No damage at all. All the way up. I like how wide these side decks are. Okay. Minnkota trolling motor, 24 volt. Here's the top sides of the starboard side. Got your gas fill here in the rear corner. Starboard side hull condition. Looking pretty nice. Like I said, there's no damage at all, just normal wear and tear like you would expect. Bottom's nice and clean. No barnacles. It was sanded and repainted by us just last week. Okay, looking at the transom. It's got a 150 Suzuki on the back. Same vintage, 2005. I'm told it's got like 800 or 900 hours. All the seals were redone back here. All the seals were redone back here. There's a swim ladder on the port side aft. There are trim tabs for the boat, and they do work. Getting onto the vessel. There's a cooler with a cushion underneath the leaning post. The leaning post backrest can pop out. At the helm, there's a big steering wheel here, hydraulic steering. And the original Garmin instrument, the 421 Garmin fish finder GPS. You got a place above the dash where you can put stuff. There's an electronics box with a newer VHF radio and a newer stereo. Isinglass curtains all the way around. Here's your shifter, your Lenco trim tab switch, and one of these switches is for the jack plate. However, the jack plate motor is bad, so it doesn't go up and down. So I'm not advertising it with a jack plate. You got a split here at the seams. Now keep in mind these are original seat cushions. And the bolsters look good except for that one seam. Here's a seat backrest which has the original vinyl on it, which is a little bit weathered. And there's a big 94 quart igloo cooler in front of the console. The T-top looks nice. It's canvas wrapped. The structure is sound. It's designed to have outriggers, which I do believe he has. Here's another look at that leaning post. Over in this corner, electrical pumps and wiring, access to the bilge, and then on this corner is the circulating Livewell. Okay, there you have it. All original 2005 Seacraft. It's a solid hull, no soft spots whatsoever on the floors. Sorry for the leaves, but there's an in-deck fish box. The anchor locker is up there. You got lots of rod holders and storage underneath the gunnels all the way around. Okay, talk to you later.